and welcome back to another video. I think today you are looking for YouTube thumbnails. Do you want to create them or you want some free YouTube thumbnails? So here are some examples of YouTube thumbnails. So first of all, it should be done because it catches the attention of the viewer or the viewer, your YouTube video viewer. As you can see here, a bunch of thumbnails, but the thing that you should know that normally you should be an expert in creating these thumbnails, but no, in this video you will find everything ready, but just write your words or write down your title. Okay, so for free thumbnail templates, we can say that you will go to YoFan, as you can see here, slash images free, and you will find this account. You will find lots of free thumbnails. You can just download it and you can use it for free. Let's just think the one who created this or these images, because it's super free and you can use whatever you want. As you can see, lots of niches, lots of photos, lots of thumbnails. Just download it and then go to Canva and try to do it by your own self. Let's try. All right, so let's say that you liked this image. So just click here, save it as an image. I already have it. And then go to Canva and type YouTube thumbnail in creative design, and then go here, go to uploads, upload the file from here. So I just have it here. Let's click set image as background, and here you can add your text with whatever you like. Let's just get this, and let's say create a YouTube thumbnail, anything. Of course, this is not catchy at all. You can, by the way, change the color of one block in Canva, and it is amazing. Okay, in this shape, I think you can't, but of course, in other shapes, like for example, let's choose anything. Like for here, you can, for example, change only O, all right, and up, all right. So you can do whatever you want, and you can create your own thumbnail. By the way, I forgot to say that we should thank them, because it is free and we are using their photos, so we should thank the owner of this account. And please don't forget to click on the ad. Just wait for it and click on just one ad, and that's it. All right, so thank you very, 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 very much for seeing this video, and I will put everything in the description below, and that's it for today. So bye bye.